Ipakita mo na bahay mo. Total, nandito ka na, nakatira sa puso ko. Sana naka-off ang ilaw para tayo na lang mag-on. Never mind the lecture. I've been lecturer here for 10 years. And I don't see that I ever improved anybody's IQ. Dr. Esperanza Cabral, when they were both students in the UP College of Medicine. Sana ikaw ang cardiologist ko para ikaw ang mag-aalaga sa puso ko. Sana scientist ako para ikaw naman ang lab ko. Tindera ka ba ng Yossi? Kasi you give me hope. Kasi you give me hope and more. Para kang cactus, kasi handa akong masaktan, mayakap ka lang. Pag wala ka, ang buhay ko parang lapis na hindi pa natatasahan. Google ka ba? Lahat kasi nang hinahanap ko sa iyo ko natagpuan eh. Hindi ko alam ang katapusan ng universe, pero alam ko ang simula, you and I. Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan mo eh. Pwede bang tawagin na lang kitang akin? So dumb. If my husband had ever tried any of these lines, I may would have bashed his teeth in. Nakanunok ka ba ng quitis? Kasi pag umiti ka, may spark. This is what Dr. Bienvenido Cabral said, pointless. Alright, let's go to question and answer. Tanong, paano mo sasabihin sa isang babae na mataba siya, na hindi siya mababastos? Sagot, excuse me, miss, Mang Tomas ba ang lotion mo? Guy 1, kumusta ang exam mo? Guy 2, puro blanco. Guy 1, patay. Guy 2, bakit? Guy 1, baka isipin nila na kopyahan tayo. I never thought I would enter politics when I was studying so hard here in UP to prepare for my professional future. I always thought that I would someday be a rocket scientist or an astrophysicist or even a lion tamer. But I never wanted to enter politics. I was simply forced by circumstance. And I am afraid I was seduced by the young people of this country. Once I entered politics, it became natural, being a civil, God-fearing, law-abiding citizen, for me to lose my temper because politicians are So, kailangan kong minsan sa politika para lang mabuhay ka, to survive, if not to prevail, kailangan magmataray ka. Kaya lang, iba naman klaseng taray ito. Itong mga sinasabi na ito. Hindi ko sinasabing maganda ako. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pangit ka. Pag nakikita kita, parang gusto ko mag-sorry sa mga mata ko. Wife, ibili mo akong bagong bra. Husband, huwag ka na mag-bra. Maliit naman boobs mo eh. Wife, bakit ikaw nagbi-brief?